Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the world of Rearview mirror glues. Whether you are facing a loose mirror or looking for a reliable adhesive for your vehicle, we have got you covered. Stay tuned as we unveil the 7 best Rearview mirror glues that will keep you safe on the road and ensure a secure driving experience. At the first position of our list, we have Permatex 81840 Extreme Rearview Mirror Professional Strength Adhesive Kit, the ultimate solution for securing your rearview mirror with confidence. Crafted with precision and engineered for durability, this adhesive kit is designed to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring your mirror stays firmly in place for the long haul. Featuring a high-strength formula, this adhesive offers unparalleled effectiveness, providing a secure bond that won't budge even on rough terrain or during sudden stops. Say goodbye to pesky vibrations and mirror sleepage. With Permatex 81840, your mirror will stay exactly where you need it, enhancing your driving experience and safety on the road. Not only does this adhesive boost superior performance, but it's also incredibly easy to use, making DIY repairs a breeze. Simply follow the straightforward instructions included in the kit and you will have your mirror securely reattached in no time. What's more, the Permatex 81840 kit is competitively priced, offering exceptional value for money compared to costly professional repairs or replacement mirrors. Invest in quality and reliability with Permatex 81840 Extreme Rearview Mirror Professional Strength Adhesive Kit, because when it comes to your safety on the road, compromise is not an option. At number 2, we have Loctite 37438 Rearview Mirror Adhesive Kit, your go-to solution for ensuring a secure and reliable attachment of your rearview mirror. Engineered with precision and designed for ease of use, this adhesive kit offers a powerful bond that withstands the test of time. Crafted with a unique formula, Loctite 37438 delivers unparalleled effectiveness, providing a strong and durable connection between your mirror and windshield. Say goodbye to mirror sleepage and vibrations. With Loctite, your mirror stays firmly in place, enhancing your driving experience and safety on the road. The compact 0.3cc size ensures precise application, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time user, you'll find the application process quick and hassle-free, with step-by-step instructions included in the kit. Not only does the Loctite 37438 kit offers exceptional performance, but it also comes at a competitive price point, providing outstanding value for money. Why spend a fortune on professional repairs or replacement mirrors when you can achieve the same results with Loctite? Invest in quality and reliability with the Loctite 37438 Rearview Mirror Adhesive Kit, because when it comes to your safety on the road, nothing beats peace of mind. Next up, number 3, we have 3M High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive 08749 in a convenient 0.02 fluid ounce size. Engineered with precision and backed by 3M's renowned quality, this adhesive offers a reliable solution for attaching your rearview mirror with confidence. Crafted with a high bond formula, 3M 08749 provides exceptional effectiveness, ensuring a strong and durable bond between your mirror and windshield. Designed to withstand vibrations, temperature changes, and extreme conditions, this adhesive keeps your mirror firmly in place, enhancing your driving experience and safety on the road. The compact size of 0.02 fluid ounce allows for precise application, minimizing waste and ensuring maximum efficiency. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, you'll appreciate the ease of use and reliability of 3M's adhesive technology. With its proven durability and effectiveness, the 3M High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive offers outstanding value for money. Why settle for temporary fixes or expensive professional repairs when you can achieve long-lasting results with 3M? Invest in quality and peace of mind with the 3M High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive 08749, because when it comes to your safety on the road, trust in the power of 3M. The number 4 position is held by Versachem 11109 Rearview Mirror Adhesive, your reliable solution for securing your rearview mirror with confidence. Crafted with precision and engineered for durability, this adhesive offers a powerful bond that withstands the vices of the road. Designed with ease of use in mind, Versachem 11109 features a user-friendly application process, ensuring hassle-free repairs for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Simply Follow the straightforward instructions included in the package for a secure and lasting attachment. Boosting exceptional effectiveness, this adhesive provides a strong and reliable bond between your mirror and windshield, minimizing vibrations and ensuring a clear view at all times. Say goodbye to mirror slippage and enjoy enhanced safety on the road with Versachem 11109. Built to last, Versachem 11109 offers long-term durability, resisting temperature changes, moisture, and other environmental factors. Rest assured that your rearview mirror will stay firmly in place, providing peace of mind mile after mile. Best of all, Versachem 11109 is competitively priced, offering exceptional value for money compared to costly professional repairs or replacement mirrors. Invest in quality and reliability with Versachem 11109 Rearview Mirror Adhesive, because when it comes to your safety on the road, compromise is not an option. The number 5 position is dominated by Technicqll Clear Adhesive Glue. Engineered for precision and crafted with quality, these AG2 packs a powerful punch, ensuring a secure bond that lasts. Designed for ease of use, the Technicqll Clear Adhesive Glue offers a hassle-free application process, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. With clear instructions provided, achieving a reliable attachment has never been simpler. Experience unmatched effectiveness with this adhesive glue. It forms a strong and durable bond between glass and rearview mirrors, eliminating slippage and ensuring clear visibility while driving. Say goodbye to vibrations and hello to a safer, smoother ride. Built to withstand the elements, this adhesive glue offers exceptional durability, resisting temperature changes and environmental factors for long-lasting performance. Rest assured, your rearview mirror will stay firmly in place mile after mile. And the best part, the Technicqll Clear Adhesive Glue comes at an affordable price, offering incredible value for money compared to costly professional repairs. Invest in quality and reliability with Technicqll, because when it comes to your safety on the road, nothing beats peace of mind. Next up, at number 6, we have the Proseal Instant Adhesive, available in convenient 0.01 by 0.02 fluid ounce sizes. Engineered for precision and crafted with quality, this adhesive offers a quick and reliable solution for a variety of bonding needs. Designed with ease of use in mind, Proseal Instant Adhesive features a user-friendly application process, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With clear instructions provided, achieving a strong and lasting bond has never been easier. Experience unmatched effectiveness with this instant adhesive. It forms a strong bond within seconds, providing a secure attachment that withstands vibrations and ensures durability in all conditions. Say goodbye to loose fittings and hello to peace of mind on the road. Built to last, Proseal Instant Adhesive offers exceptional durability, resisting temperature changes and environmental factors for long-lasting performance. Rest assured, your repairs will stand the test of time. And the best part, Proseal Instant Adhesive comes at an affordable price, offering incredible value for money compared to costly professional repairs. Invest in quality and reliability with Proseal, because when it comes to your projects, nothing beats peace of mind. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive 08752. In a compact 0.02 fluid ounce size, your ultimate solution for secure mirror attachments. Engineered with precision and backed by 3M's renowned quality, this adhesive offers a quick and reliable fix for your rearview mirror. Designed for ease of use, 3M 08752 features a user-friendly application process, ensuring hassle-free repairs for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. With clear instructions provided, achieving a strong and lasting bond has never been simpler. Experience unmatched effectiveness with this adhesive. It forms a strong and durable bond within minutes, providing a secure attachment that withstands vibrations and ensures clarity while driving. Say goodbye to mirror slippage and hello to peace of mind on the road. Built to last, 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive offers exceptional durability, resisting temperature changes and environmental factors for long-lasting performance. Rest assured, your mirror will stay firmly in place mile after mile. And the best part, 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive comes at an affordable price, offering incredible value for money compared to costly professional repairs. Invest in quality and reliability with 3M, because when it comes to your safety on the road, nothing beats peace of mind. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for joining us as we explored the best rearview mirror glues on the market. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips, tricks and product reviews to keep your ride in top shape. Drive safely and we'll see you in the next video.